All right, we've broken free of the snow. Oh man, it is cold, but the trails are ripping. Woo! Yes, tech. Creek crossing, yeah. Woo! Come prepared to be on an adventure. Woo, we got some speed going, y'all. Woo! Trying to keep my eyes peeled ahead of me for downed trees long before I get to them. Creek crossing here. Right into the rocks. But with the manzanita bushes on the left, I'm basically just raking through them with my left hand. But that's okay. Oh, it's lovely. Woo! Here's some speed. Woo! Yeah. Loving it. Loving it. And there you have it. Another ride.